are the principal of the firm. And I want to start asking you basically, before working with IT Pros Management Group, what challenges or kind of uncertainties do you have around AI or data security in your business, and what kind of led you to move to where you are today?
I would say that our entire environment was fragmented. It was unsecured to say the least, right? There was honestly, it was a stressful environment to operate in. I was constantly second guessing whether there was sensitive information that was exposed, whether tools were just talking to one another properly, right? I've expressed a lot of these things with you in the past, and more importantly, whether we had unknowingly introduced risk by trying to stay productive, trying to MacGyver our own solutions, and so you know we found you guys, and ultimately with AI specifically, the concern was just as amplified. We knew the upside was significant, but we were overall uneasy about data leakage, right? There was an uncontrolled model, and we had unclear access boundaries. It was very consumer grade of a tool, to say the least. And being quietly used to, for our workflows are it was not had it was independent to what we actually did for business. And so bottom line is, you guys helped us find out that we had no single source of truth, no clear parameter, no confidence that what we were doing would actually hold up under a cyber scrutiny, right? And so that's kind of where we were at. There was just self inflicted paranoia, and it wasn't sustainable.